Annyeonghaseyo Urban. I am your Korean language teacher Ahmed. Today our class is about Titki and Ilki of chapter number 7. Question number 1. Thaum next. Thano word. Va with Kwange isnan is relation. Causal object. Mot imnika is what? What is the related object with this word? Yoram is summer. So our answer is Khejol because Yoram is a Khejol season. Question number 2. Thaum next. Chung is between Mitchell. Underline. Chin bubun the part. Marginan better. Munjang sentence. Khoro shipsho select. Number 1. Chib kaji. Chib is home. Khoro is walking. E shipun. 20 minutes. Chum is around. Thoroyo. This is wrong because thoroyo not correct. If there is kholyoyo, then it will be correct. Number 2. Thegan shigan. The work ending time. Chaga cars money. Much. Kholyoyo. Kholyoyo is used with the time. So this is wrong. Number 3. Sangire. Sangire is birthday. Chingudal. Friends. Chib oro. At my home. Konno gaseo is across the road, crossing the road. So this is not correct. Number 4, achime in the morning. Piga. Rain wasnande. It was raining in the morning. Chigam now kuchesoyo is stop. So this answer is correct. Question number 3, pin kane in the blanks. Thoro khal. Go in. Khajang the most almajan. Better causal object Koro shipshio. Select. Kimchi chigega. Nomo tugovoyo. Our answer is tugovoyo is very hot. Kimchi chige is very hot. Choshim. Choshim is carefully. Chonchonhi is slowly. Thusyo eat. So eat your kimchi chige slowly with care. Number 4. Pinkan. Blanks, thoro khal, go in, almajan, better, pyohyon is expression, khola is select, munjang, sentence, wansung ha shipshio is complete. Complete your sentence with the correct expression. Che koyang, my country, my home country. Our answer is nal shiga hangsang. Nalshi is weather. Hangsang always. Tatat hamnida warm. In my country, always the weather is warm. Chonan I. Hanguke Korea waso. When I came. Chom first time. Kyol winter. Kyong home is experience. Hessam nida. I experienced first time the winter of Korea. It was very cold. Kamchak Nulla Samnida is I surprised. So it was very cold in Korea. So I was surprised. Now question number 5. Tom next. Kul is paragraph. Il go read Neyung. Content. Khattan got is similar object. Koro shipshio select. Hangukan in Korea. Sa is for. Kejol is season. Turyo sun is presented Nara Imnida country. Korea have 4 seasons. Tatat han warm pom is spring. Themyon if it is Saramdal. The people. Kot is flowers. Kugyong watch Khamnida go there. Korea is the country where 4 seasons available. In warm spring, people go to watch flowers. Yorame in summer. Thopko hot. Piga rain. Mani omyo. Mani omyo is it's heavy rain in summer. Changma is a rainy season. Kunna is end. Myo if the end. Mudovo is hot layer. Shijak Themnida start. After rainy season, hot layer will start. Kaul is fall. Nal shiga weather. Chua so good. Chukche is festival. Dung etc. Khattan is similar. Hangsa event. Mani very. Yolyo is opening. So in fall, because of good weather, festivals and events arranged. Kyol, winter. Meu is very. Chup is cold. Jiman. But ski. Ski is a sports. Dung etc. Kyol, winter sports. Winter sports. Chulgi is enjoy. Saramdal. People mansam nida many. Winter is very cold, but people enjoy ski and similar sports in winter. Now we select our answer. Hangokan in Korea Kejol season. Pyeon Hawa Toryo Hanji Anand. Pyeon Hawa is changed. Toryo Han is represented Ansam Nida. So in Korea the seasons not change. So this is not correct because in Korea there are 4 seasons. Chukje festival, Nalshi weather, Chuun Kaol. In good fall, Mani Yolim Nida. In fall there are many festivals opening. Mudo wo is hot layer. Kannamyo, after that, Piga Mani. P is heavy rain. Onan, it is heavy rain. Changma is a rainy season. Shijak Themnida, after that start. So this is wrong because after the rainy season, hot layer starts. So this is not correct. Number 4, Kyol. Kyol is winter. Nomo, very much. Chuvo, cold. Saramdal, the people. Yahweh is outdoor. Hawaldam, activity. Haji Ansam Nida, not doing activities out there. The people not doing outdoor activities in summer. So this is wrong because people do ski and similar sports in winter. So our answer is number 2. Now there is listening of chapter number 7. So let's listen.
1번. 다음을 듣고 들은 내용과 관계 있는 그림을 고르십시오.
Tom next. Tidko listen. Thuran is listening. 내용 content. Kwange is relation. Kurim picture. Koro shipsho select.
날씨가 너무 덥네요.
날씨가 너무 덥네요. The weather is very hot.
우리 바다에 갈까요?
우리 we 바다 is sea. 갈까요? Go. Can we go to sea?
좋아요. 바다에 가서 수영해요.
좋아요. It's good. 바다에 가서 after go to the sea. 수영해요. We can swim. So 수영 is our answer. This is number 1.
2번. 두 사람은 무엇에 대해 말하고 있습니까?
Two saram, two people, mo'ot what? They about, malhago is samnika talking about. What the two person are talking about?
비가 계속 오네요.
Piga, rain, kesuk is continuously, oneo, coming. So it is raining continuously.
일기예보에서 밤까지 비가 올 거라고 했어요.
Ilkiebo is weathercast. So Phamkaji is till night. Piga olko rago 했어요. Weathercast department said till night it's heavy rain. Our answer is Nalchi because they are talking about weather.
3번부터 4번까지. 다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
Question number 3 and 4. Town next. Third go listen. Murme is also question. Almajan better. Thedap answer. Koro shipsho select.
3번.
커피가 많이 뜨거워요.
Coffee가 많이 뜨거워요. Is the coffee is very hot?
1. 네, 커피가 맛있어요.
네, yes, coffee가 맛있어요. The coffee is very tasty. No.
2. 네, 커피를 정말 좋아해요.
네, yes, coffee를 정말 really 좋아해요. I like the coffee too much.
3. 아니요, 커피가 너무 많아요.
아니요, no. 커피가 너무 많아요. There is too much coffee. No.
4. 아니요. 커피가 별로 뜨겁지 않아요.
아니요, no. 커피가 별로 is not really. 뜨겁지 않아요. Not hot. Not very hot. The coffee is not very hot. So this is our answer.
4번. 우산을 언제 샀어요?
우산, umbrella, 언제 샀어요? When you bought umbrella.
1. 싸게 샀어요.
Number 1. 싸게 샀어요. I bought cheaply.
2. 조금 전에 샀어요.
조금 전에, a little earlier, I bought this umbrella. So this is our answer.
3. 비가 와서 샀어요.
비가 와서, after raining, I bought it. 샀어요. This is not our answer.
4. 편의점에서 샀어요.
편의점에서 샀어요. I bought from 편의점, a little store.
5번. 다음을 듣고 이어지는 말로 가장 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
다음 듣고 next listen EOG. EOG is continuous. Mal is talking. 가장 the most, 알맞은 better, causal object, 고르십시오 select.
한국의 봄은 어때요?
한국의 in Korea 봄은 spring season 어때요? How is the weather in spring season in Korea?
1. 지금은 봄이에요.
지금 now 봄이에요. This is spring season.
2. 저는 가을을 좋아해요.
저는 I 가을 fall season 좋아해요. I like fall season.
3. 3월부터 5월까지예요.
3월부터 5월까지 from March to May.
4. 따뜻하고 꽃이 많이 펴요.
따뜻하고 it's warm. 꽃이 flower 많이 펴요. Flowers are blooming.